What's up guys, AK with DCCTRAIN. In this video before final assembly of that gorgeous collector edition Trix steam locomotive T16, I want to show you a couple of tips and things, maybe it will help. So it's brass. I believe some Korean manufacturer made it for them and they package it nice, box is gorgeous, everything like very nice. So one of the toughest installation, because I thought a lot about it, different ways how to accomplish LEDs with different LEDs for the headlights, a lot of stuff thinking, but when it turns to final assembly, that's another tricks like trick, right? So the speaker in this area, it's a Zimo speaker with a good chamber. So originally it was just regular incandescent bulbs, 1.5 volt or something, and they trace everything here, and it was a little bit, I'm surprised really how even it was working. So when the body going on top, for example, this rib can easily, you know, damage the insulation, and all that area actually, if it's not positioning properly, will be a trouble, potential trouble, because all those edges like very sharp. So what they did, and I really surprised, they just put not Kapton tape, they just put some kind of packing tape like to secure those paths anyway. So, and you see the length of the, and that's what I'm keeping it, of those wires very long, because when I'm going to put the body, I'm going to trace everything accurate to make sure everything goes properly through those paths, I should say, because again, original they just like throw it and it was the kind of diode bridge to lower the voltage, that type of thing. So, but it has a sound now. This is Zimo MS series decoder with MFX, so when you put on track with under control with Markling system or ESU command station, the data from the decoder will go to the command station and shows everything. I have videos about it. So that's it. Very unusual locomotive, and took me a while just to figure out everything. So we'll see how it's running in next video. The previous videos you watched, it was just body sitting on top with the wires. Actually I traced through those open areas, holes, and when it just sits by itself without any wires on the way, it's fine. But again, it's very precise made. A very nice locomotive. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.